Welcome back to the Morning Blend. Today we have great fixes for all sorts of problems, from wrinkles and thin lips to sun damage and rosacea. We're also going to tell you about treatments for spider veins, varicose veins, unwanted hair, excessive sweating, plus video of technology that now gets rid of tummy bulges, love handles, and even back fat.
Lots of stuff going on. Dr. Deborah Manjoney is the medical director and owner of the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa. Thanks for being here.
Thank you very much for having me.
Yeah, beautiful calibre. We got to mention.
Yeah, love your necklace and earrings.
Yes.
Yep, it's
always
awesome.
are decked out.
Unprompted.
Yeah, you brought this great chart though to
Yes.
kind of break down some of these problems. We're going to start up here with dynamic wrinkles, crow's feet, thin lips, and aging face.
Right, and of course those are the areas that we can treat with Botox, relaxation of the muscles, of the dynamic expression lines you get as you use your face all the time, you know, and as you get a little bit older, you get the lines that set in. Botox works great to relax some of those lines. Fillers are wonderful to give you back volume for the aging face that we've talked about before, that you lose volume as you age. Filler can also be used in the lips, which also tend to thin as you get older, or if somebody just doesn't like how their lips look. But again, natural is our mantra. We want to keep everything looking natural.
What I love about this visual and the graphics we're putting on the screen is it really gives you a good look at all the different services that you have to offer.
It's so difficult to tell somebody what the range is, and to say, well, if you have this problem, then this. So we kind of try to have this as a diagram to show people what they could do.
Let's talk next about sun damage, age spots, rosacea, and broken capillaries.
Right. And of course we love intense pulse light for this, because intense pulse light is a multi-spectrum light that we use to treat the skin, and it will actually be attracted to the pigment and the redness, so that those areas are treated and will come up and disappear. And you'll have much more even skin tone, much younger looking skin, just healthier looking skin. You're not going to look like you have that redness blushing from rosacea, and you're not going to look like you have a lot of sun damage on your skin. And it also gives you wonderful side effects of having a little bit reduced look to your pore size and really luminous skin.
And the next one is scarring, fine lines, and wrinkles.
Right, and again for this we can use chemical peels. We can do things to help tighten the wrinkles around the eyes and all with Pewaukee, which is radio frequency device, Exelis, another radio frequency heat devices that are going to build collagen and tighten the skin a little bit. And of course we have medical grade facials that we also do, which can make the skin look smoother, healthier, and especially after multiple treatments really give you a wonderful improvement.
And I think for people who aren't ready to do an injectable,
Great way to start.
They're great. I've had chemical peels before and different pulse lights and things like that, and I just think they're phenomenal.
And chemical peel doesn't necessarily mean you're going to peel or have any kind of downtime at all. It's just a really healthy exfoliation of the skin, allowing some products to get in deeper and really work on that skin.
What about people who have loose or sagging skin?
That we can treat, as I said, with radio frequency or near infrared. They're heating devices that will help to build collagen underneath the surface and really plump up the skin.
I was shocked that for excessive sweating, the solution is Botox.
Right.
Was that initially what Botox was created for?
Initially Botox was to help blepharospasm or contraction of the eyelids. Sometimes people can't control it.
Like that twitching?
They have a twitching, but it's more than a twitching. They really have spasm, so they can't open their eye, and it's a severe problem. And so it was started in ophthalmology to help treat that. And one of the patients came back, like after being treated multiple times, and she wanted another treatment, and the doctor said, but you don't need one yet. She said, yeah, my lines are coming back. And so that's when they figured out that Botox could be used to relax other lines and muscles to really be used as a cosmetic.
And now for sweating.
Yeah, how does that work? Is that because it does something to a nerve?
Yes, it is. It's because it helps relax the nerves in the epicrine glands that are producing the sweat. And so there is not that excessive sweating. It's wonderful for brides. It's wonderful for people who really have a bit of a sweating problem and don't know what to do. You know, there are surgical procedures that can be done. There are deodorants, of course, that can be tried. But sometimes using the Botox will actually give you 6 months to a year of improvement.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, it is. The next one is unwanted hair, ingrown hairs.
I think down at the bottom, did we do that one yet?
Oh, okay. Muffin top, back fat. There we go.
Love handles.
All the
tummy bulges, saddlebags, love handles.
Body contouring is really popular, and we have Cool Sculpting, and we have now we are the first ones in Wisconsin to have the new Cool Smooth, which is to be used for saddlebags.
Wow.
And you know, it's just something that we can attach, and it's cooling and actually pretty darn cold because it freezes the fat, and over the course of 8 to 12 weeks that area will reduce by 20 to 40%.
Yeah, so it's not shrinking fat cells, it's actually getting rid of
destroying
fat cells.
and it's great for women who want those outer thighs reduced, but also for all the other areas we mentioned, the love handles, the tummy bulges, muffin top, all those things. It works great. And if you just want a generalized reduction, then Vanquish and Exilis are wonderful for reducing fat and tightening up the skin so that the whole body shape looks better. But if it's pinchable, or if it's in the area like on the outer thighs, we can do cool sculpting for those areas.
All right, unwanted hair, ingrown hairs.
Laser hair removal, you know, if somebody hasn't had
Awesome.
that done, they really have to consider it because it really speeds up your time to get ready to do things you want to do. You don't have to shave in the shower every day.
And guys
It's great.
too, right?
And guys too.
In between the eyebrows.
That's
and-
perfect.
Back hair?
Yeah,
Back hair,
get
we do
rid of
back
it.
hair, chest hair. You
Yeah.
know, facial hair on men, very difficult to get rid of anything permanently because it grows so rapidly. But the rest of the hair, yeah, if they have an area that their wife or their significant other doesn't like or they don't like,
Zap
they
it.
can get
Send
rid
them
of it.
in.
Yeah.
I love
Zap
it.
it away.
All right, really quickly, because we ran out of time, spider veins and varicose
course,
veins. And this gets to the medical part of
Yes,
what
it
you
does,
do.
because varicose veins, really many treatments are covered by insurance policies. And so if somebody has any kind of symptoms related to their veins, it can be insurance billable. And then in addition, spider veins, of course, we have all the cosmetic ways of treating that.
Love it. All right, so here's the information so that you can make an appointment at the Wisconsin Vein Center MediSpa. You got to have one of the
You
problems.
know you
on there.
found one of those.
The Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa is located on Georgetown Drive in Pewaukee. The phone number 262-746-9088. WIMedispa.com is the website to visit. Thanks to you guys, I don't even shave my legs anymore, which is
And
so
for
awesome.
more
I
Blend
shave her
viewers
legs.
only, a very special that I'm just offering right now, $100 off any treatment here for the first 10 people who call.
No way.
Yes.
That's
Any of
awesome.
those treatments
Where's your
or
phone?
anything they want, free
There it is.
consultation,
Go.
but they can be on that list and get $100 off any treatment we offer.
All right, you got people ready to answer
Yes,
the phone?
there are people ready to answer.
Okay, I love it. Great to see you. Tiff's making her appointment right now. She wants to be one of the first.
Need a
Thank you
chemical
so
peel.
much.